If your iPhone screen is tapping, swiping, or opening apps on its own, you're dealing with Ghost Touch. Let's go through the fixes. First, clean the screen with a microfiber cloth. Dust, grease, or moisture can interfere with the touch screen. If that doesn't help, remove your phone case and screen protector. A cracked or poorly fitted screen protector can sometimes trigger random touches. If the issue is still there, restart your iPhone. A simple restart can clear temporary software glitches that may be affecting the touch screen. Still not fixed? Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Just go to Settings, then General, and then go to Software Update and install any available update. If nothing has worked so far, reset all settings. Open Settings, tap General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap on Reset, and choose Reset All Settings. You'll be asked to enter your passcode and confirm the reset. This won't delete your photos, apps, or other personal data, but it will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords, Bluetooth connections, keyboard preferences, privacy settings. If your iPhone is still experiencing Ghost Touch after trying all these fixes, the issue is most likely hardware related. In that case, you'll need to have the display repaired. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe to Glitch Snitch, and I'll catch you in the next one.